clap for him. Air is a mixture of gas in the atmosphere. It contains nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc. Which air we are inhaling? Huh?
Oxygen.
Which air we are exhale out? Carbon dioxide. Okay. Now, actually you have to see that. You should take the leaf. Can you understand? This light in weight. Now, see that whether all leaves are moving or not. Leaves are moving. Why it is moving? Due to? Yeah, now we are going to do the experiment. You come and take the video here. You are not able to see. All of you take your hand. Take your right hand. Keep in front of your face. Take deep breath. Everyone from first standard to 11th, take deep breath. Can you feel something? Can you feel something, children? No, you have to keep. You should breathe. Then only you can feel. You can feel or not? Yes or no? What do you feel? What do you feel? Yes, very good. Clap. Air is coming. Is it not? Okay, now you can take your hand. So, can you see the air? No, we cannot see the air. We can feel. Can you touch the air? Can you touch the air? We cannot see the air. We cannot touch the air. Then which one you can see? When the air which moves under high speed, it is called windy. Can you understand? Sometimes if there is no air, keep your hand, put your hands down. If there is no air in your room, fan, everything put off. So what will you do? You want to come out of the class, get free, fresh air. Is it not? Yes or no? So if there, how can you feel that time? That is called windy. So the air which is moving due to under high pressure, that is called as a windy. It moves in horizontal motion. It moves in horizontal motion. Now, some of you can give one leaf to one children. Come on. Blood can give to all the children. Higher classes. Come here, boy. Give to everyone. This side. Give the leaf to, you should show the leaf to the camera. Be quick. One leaf. You can also get down. But taking too much of time. Make it fast. And lower class also I can give. Every children should have a leaf on their hand. No, I don't want anyone should talk there. Take this leaf. So it is not a fan. Okay, you have to keep like this. So you should cover, all the children should carry the leaf. All children should show the leaf. This side also, ma, no leaf for you. Why? Boy, anyone can give leaf for these children also. You can take that leaf, no? Why you are simply standing, girls? What happened to the leaf? Go and get that. Teachers, anyone can help now. You can ask them to pluck the leaf from that plant. Yes, 1 week is enough. Bring it. So who don't have, you can get it from your teacher. Don't fold your hands. Stand properly. Boy, come soon. Kalevan, you can get it from her and give more. Stand properly, children. You know the difference between air and wind, is it not? What is called air? Mixture of gases. We could not see the air. Okay. It contains a mixture of gases. What are all the gases present in air? Okay. Then it comes air which comes with a high speed in a horizontal motion. It is called as wind. It is called as wind. Have you seen windmill? Yes, this year theme is about windmill and power we are getting from the wind. Only one activity you are going to do. Show the leaves, everyone. So it is light in weight. Whenever there is a air, see that your hands, the leaves are moving or not. You cover that video, ma. Leaf is moving or not, children? Moving, no? So, the other name for wind is breezy. You are getting very good here. Nalla kaathu varudunu solringilla. That is called as breezy. That is called as breezy. Now you see all your leaves are moving. So, how do you feel it is a air or wind? Yeah, but when it is moving with high speed, it is called as wind. So due to wind, what will happen? The building will be collapsed. Then, anyone can say, tree branches will cut and fall down. Electricity. Now you see all of you can get breeze here. Do you know that? Are you breathing fresh air? Now you are flowing this, all the leaves will fall down. Everyone should flow. How it is moving. You take that also. Okay. This is the activity of the windy day activity. There are so many activities related to kite. I don't want to take too much of time. You can go to your class and exhibit everything and speech, elocution as well as quiz students. That will be conducted in the mandapam in the afternoon section, but other activity will be completed. Class teachers, you have to take photos, whatever the students they are explaining. It's very important. Okay? Now you have to invite your teachers. Dear teachers, today we are going to inaugurate our school intramural competition and activities awareness program. So we are inviting all our teachers to give support and guidance to us. Behalf of our management, I welcome each and every one of you. Okay. Have a nice day. Thank you, children.
They all are important for the school, but very, very important is this.
When a person falls in an accident, the last
Anyone under God, ml. All these are important things. Okay, you should know. It is even a GK, general knowledge, isn't it? Do you know, all of you know your blood groups? Yes, ma'am. Is there anyone who does not know your blood group? No one, right? So you must know what is your blood group. Okay, you must know the blood group of your family members also. Okay, these are very, very important things which will help in case of emergency. Okay, so about the World Blood Donation Day, you all have some idea, isn't it? Can you tell me the age after which you can donate blood? 70. Will you all do? Yes, ma'am. After you have crossed 18 years, will you all donate blood? Yes, ma'am. Yes. What is the purpose of donating blood? Why we should donate blood? Anyone can answer. Yes. To help people who need blood, isn't it? Got it? Okay, where will you go and donate the blood? Hospital in the blood bag. Okay? Like you have bags to store money, isn't it? Like that, we have got something called a blood bag. So every hospital will have a blood bag. So you have to go and donate your blood bag. Okay? So did you all learn something from today? Yes, ma'am. Is it useful for you? Yes, ma'am. Very good. Give a clap.
Ritika from grade 9. I am Shivakavi from grade 8. I am Avasti from class 11. I am Parmeshwari from class 1. I am Gopapriya from class 8. I am Dhanishri from class 8. I am R. Rageshwar from class 9.
I am Larson from 9th standard.
I am S. Shaideva from grade 9. I am Raghav Sinali from grade 6.
Children, are you ready? Okay, all the best. Let me see which team is going to win. Team A, easy question. Others don't say the answer, those who are sitting there, audience. Then is World Environmental Day celebrated June 5. What is that? June 5. What's your name?
Muhammad Zubair.
Okay. Team A got the marks. Okay, Team B. What was the theme for World Environmental Day 2024? What was the for World Environmental Day 2024? I give the clue, you can say, from the clue you can say the answer. Being plastic pollution, ecosystem restoration, biodiversity desertification. Think and answer. Team C, Team B did not answer. Team C, what was the theme for World Environmental Day 2024? Option A, being plastic pollution, ecosystem restoration, biodiversity desertification. I already given the clue in the class itself. What you do? How many times I can say the option? Only one time you have to listen. Action will not be repeated again. Being plastic pollution, ecosystem restoration, biodiversity. This one is an ecosystem restoration. Wrong answer. First D. D. D.
Biodiversity resolution.
No, wrong answer. Biodiversity is already being told. Not a biodiversity. This here team. Team A, do you know the answer? Yes, children.
Green plastic pollution.
What? No, no. Wrong answer. So I will give the answer for this question. Question number 2, no one answer. Answer is desertification. Can you understand? Okay. Sweet also. So once again, you have to encourage the participants. Monday holiday or working day? Why? What is the reason? So wish a happy birthday for the students who are going to celebrate. Okay, this competition within a week we have celebrated, we have done well. Next coming competitions and all you have to prepare. You have the potential, you have to prepare well. Okay, the product what you are explaining, exhibited in the class, you are not explaining. Explain them. Thank you, children.
Students who have participated in the quiz competition, the elocution competition, and also in the morning. All the students, hearty congratulations to you all. You have very well and also done your poster and drawing presentations very well. So give a big hand to yourselves. I hope you all enjoyed today. Did you all enjoy? Did you all enjoy today's events? Okay, congratulations and my best wishes.
fold to reshape our energy system. Thank you. Good afternoon. Here, I'm Sri from grade 7. Grade 8. A few lines about World Blood Donor Day. World Blood Donor Day is celebrated on June 14. Today we are together to honor and handsome the heroes who selflessly gift to someone through blood donation. Every year, millions of lives are saved and improved. Thanks generosity of volunteers around the world. This is the theme of World Blood Donor Day. Give the blood and keep the world beating underscores in critical role at playing blood donation in sustainability and communities and healthcare systems. On the recognize the dedication to blood donors, professionals, volunteers and advocates who ensure that safety of sustainability, ability, accessibility. Thank you who are all the volunteers to donate the blood. Thank you. I'm grade 8. Today I am talking about World Blood Donor Day. World Blood Donor was celebrated on June 14. World Blood Donor Day was established by World Health Organization. This day is commemorated to spread awareness about the requirement about blood to save a lot of life. This day is celebrated as birth anniversary of Karl Landsteiner to educate people the blood in the world to donate all. Thank you. Please donate the blood to all. I am Priyanka from grade going to speak about World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June of every year. More than 100 countries worldwide join in the celebration of the World Environment Day. It is started by the United Nations Environmental Programs in the year 1973 and has been continued till now. Thank you. Good afternoon to all. Myself, Sanna and Kathy. I am going to talk about global warming. The global warming is defined as the increase on average temperature on Earth due to accumulation of greenhouse gases. The harmful greenhouse atmosphere are water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, chlorofluorocarbons, hydrofluorocarbons. The global warming and greenhouse effect seen in the sea level to the turn spread and harm the aquatic life. You have an idea.
So within a short period of time, within 5 days, you have done a wonderful job. So once again, clap for the children.
To share about wind is the movement of the air caused by uneven heat of Earth's own rotation. It is form of generate current and generate electricity. The wind spreads heat and it has cool should not we should keep it clean and healthy. It is the responsibility to save our environment. Thank you to everyone. Good morning to one and all present here. I am Kamlesh from grade 7. Today I am here to speak a few words on blood donor day. Blood is a key element of our human body. This is essential for our life. This is the vital medicine to life. This is particularly at the time of an accident, like an accident. Thank you. Good evening, Honorable Speaker. I'm Rachna Balaji from Monday. I'm going to talk about global warming. Global warming is an important topic to talk about in today's world. Global warming is the main enemy of the earth. The fuel we use in cars, bikes, and many more vehicles produces carbon dioxide, which stays in the atmosphere and produces more and more light, and it grows day by day. And many more things like power plants, cars, industries produces carbon dioxide, which stays in the atmosphere for 5 decades or more. Due to the overheat, the western icebergs are getting meltdown, which is containing the 20% of fresh water of the earth. When it melts down completely, all the coastal areas will be in danger. So we should stop global warming. To stop global warming, we should plant more and more trees and stop vehicle usage. We should stop global warming.
Good morning to one and all present here. I am Hashmohammed Zubair from grade 8. Today I am going to talk about World Blood Donor Day. The blood donation is a life-saving service which we can do in our volunteer. We can donate blood in blood banks. We can donate blood from our surrounding states, and we can also donate blood in every 6 months. As we celebrate this day because of the father the Karl Landsteiner, the father of who found the blood groups in the world. This day was organized by World Health Organization.